We have some breaking inputs coming in. We're shifting focus to that. There is continuous infighting in the Congress. In fact, is only intensifying now as far as the candidates for Lok Sabha are concerned in the national capital. Now uproar over ticket to Udit Raj. Remember earlier there were murmurs about ticket being given to Kanhaiya Kumar. Now, according to sources, there's an issue with the remarks that have been made by Udit Raj. There'll be a briefing today as well. Questions are being raised on the High Command's decision of distributing these tickets when it comes to the national capital. There is a continuous infighting in the Congress over its picks for the Lok Sabha polls in Delhi after Kanhaiya Kumar, the latest to face the wrath of the Congress Delhi unit and the workers, is Udit Raj. We have Niyamika getting us more details on that. Niyamika, like I said, first questions were raised on ticket given to Kanhaiya Kumar. Now it's Udit Raj.
Absolutely, and that's the reason why the trouble is mounting for the Delhi Congress unit. As for that reason, now yesterday only there was a meeting which was being called by the Delhi Congress in charge Deepak Babaria at his residence for the preparations of the Congress party regarding the Northwest constituency in the national capital. And when the leaders and the workers were discussing about the party strategy, there was a revolt which was being started by many of the leaders who were being present in that particular meeting regarding the ticket being given to Udit Raj, as many leaders within the Delhi Congress unit are not really happy with the manner in which this ticket distribution is being done, and for that reason they had started blaming the in charge of the Delhi Congress, that was Deepak Babaria. Even some of the leaders had also used foul language against him, and they were saying that Udit Raj's recent statements regarding many issues, in fact the statement which he had given regarding the consecration ceremony of Ram Temple, can affect the party's performance in the upcoming Lok Sabha elections, and that's the reason why they question that why no consultation was being done with the party workers and the leaders when the ticket distribution process was going on, and why when the ticket has already been announced, then a meeting has been called by the Delhi Congress in charge Deepak Babaria, and that was the reason why a revolt had started amid that meeting of the Northwest constituency, in which Deepak Babaria had also offered his own resignation, as he said that if he had failed to fulfill his duties, he is ready to give resignation from the position of the Delhi Congress in charge. However, we have recently also seen that during the meeting of the preparations regarding the northeast constituency of the national capital, same kind of revolt had started against Kanhaiya Kumar. In fact, it was the senior leader of the Congress party, Sandeep Dixit, who had started this war of words with Kanhaiya Kumar. He had blamed Kanhaiya Kumar for creating an environment in the national capital for which the BJP can get some benefit, as he has also mentioned that the controversy which had erupted regarding the Tukde gang, which is related to Kanhaiya Kumar, can affect the party's performance not just in the northeast constituency but the nearby constituencies as well, and that's the reason why he had also said the same kind of things in the meeting. And
even let's see what happens in the briefing today. Niyamika, keep track of the